This is Chevrolet Camaro 2023. I'm going to make that spare key using VVDI Key Tool Max. So this remote is not working, this new one, and this is the original key. So I'm going to use this 8 key. Let's see how to do this using Key Tool Max. So go to Move Programming, go to Chevrolet, read pin code, and go to read pin code. So correct code بعدين. Switch ignition on and read pin code. So the pin code is here. We already read the pin code, and remember the pin code, you need it later on. And now we are going to make the smart key. Go to America, Camaro. It's 2023. There is no 2021. You can go, but it's 2023 car. Let's see. Let's shake مش واضح الكاميرا.
شغل الضوء.
ضوء لا الضوء الكاميرا هو اللي هيك. We are going to add a key. So put the new key into the gloves box. You put the gloves box, new key, press OK. Don't know why video is not clearly. That lapshi. Okay, put the pin code that we already read. Seven five three nine. 7539. Okay. Wait for 9 minutes and 45 seconds. So it's take 10 minutes almost. I'm going to push the video here, and I will come back again when it's almost done. Still take 9 minutes. So this is Camaro 2023. We are doing that key. So we are almost going to programming now. It's only 32 seconds is there. So after I wait the 10 minutes and switch ignition is still on. And video is just wait for a few seconds and see. Razulak.
Hello?
And it is programming. Let's see what is the result after waiting 10 minutes.
كم يريد؟
بس دقيقة خلاص.
5 دقيقة؟
بس صبر.
سهرة؟
استنى شوي بس.
هون تبان شاهد دبا.
So already there is the car has the 2 keys. Press OK. And now ready for the key number 3. Please click start button. So you can see here, ready for the key 3. And press start button. And press OK. Now ready for the key 4. We are already done. So the current key is 3. It's okay, program is successful. If you want the more keys, yes, otherwise no. And to wait, turn ignition off. Press start button for 12 seconds. And still here, ready for key number 4. Release start button, press OK. Press and hold start button until the switch ignition on. Switch ignition on. Switch ignition off. Step back and start the car. And remove this. Press the lock once, then press on lock once. Press OK. No more. Match completely, so it's done already. Match completed. If new keys cannot be start the car from a power battery or some 1 minute, 2 minutes, that's it. Last no need. It's working already. Okay, so it's working. That's it. Now we can read the key also here. 3 keys it should be. Before was 2 key. 3 keys now. Thank you guys. This is Camaro 2023. We did the 8 smart key using the VVDI Key Tool Max. And in the VVDI there is no have 2023. That's why I did the 2021 I choose. But it's the same.